So guys, here came out the Python, and in today's Python video, I am telling about using a tuples as a keys in a dictionaries in Python. So yeah, we are learning about it. So see the video start to end, and please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now miss our any future latest videos about the Python. So now, without taking any time, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling about the using a tuples as a key in a dictionaries in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about it. So let's get started without wasting your any time, and let's start. The topic explores how you can use tuples as dictionaries keys in Python, which is helpful for mapping complex data like coordinates, pairs, or combinations of values. To specify outcome or value, here's a quick outline of what the content might cover. First is introduction to tuples and dictionaries. If you don't know what is tuples and dictionaries, I've already made the video of it, and let me show you where you can see it. First of all, on to the Google, write here my channel by the name of Rayyan, and when you write it, so my first channel has been came, click on it, and why it is not opening, let me see. Okay, let me come here. Now let me write Rayyan and let me open it. So now it has been opened. Now click on the playlist and click on the Python tutorial course for this, and when you click it, so now let me tell you what you can do. Click here, and now here you can see it little now it has become. So from here you can see my all videos of the Python. Here you can see it, and I uploaded here like 106 video of Python, and here I have uploaded also a Python tuples and Python dictionary. Here you can see it. There's one dictionary video and 54. Here you can see it, and here I also upload the tuples video. Here you can see it. In the 43 there is a dictionary video. You go and see it from here. And where is the tuples? Let me show you the tuples. Here you can see it. I have uploaded a tuples video till 31 till 37. I uploaded a tuples video. You go and see it from here also. So here, okay. So now, introduction to tuples and dictionaries. Briefly explain what tuples and dictionaries are in Python. Number 2. Why tuples can be dictionary keys. Explain how tuples are immutable, making them hashable and edgeable as dictionary keys. Practical examples. Number 3. First is in the practical examples, using a tuples to store coordinates and mapping them to values. Number 2. Creating a dictionary with tuples to handle multiple parameters. Number 3. Using a tuples as keys for storing the data combinations. Number 4. Nested tuples in dictionaries. When tuples contain more than 2 values, okay. Number 5 is advantages and limitations. When to use and not to use tuples as a key. This will be a valuable topic for understanding both data structures, and it's something you could explain clearly on your Rayyan channel. Okay, using a tuples as keys in dictionaries in Python, I told you about it. So if you don't know what is tuples and how to make a tuple, let me show you. And this video I've already told you that, so you go and see that video also. But now let me tell you one more thing, how to build the tuples. So to build the tuple, so let me tell you how you can build it. First of all, you make a one new window. Here when you make a new window, first of all you make a one file by the name of index.py. I am making the file, okay. So I am clicking on the documents and I am clicking on the create file, and yes, my file has been made it. So I am creating a tuple. How to create it? First of all you write here this tuple, then equals to, then here you write like apple, comma banana, comma strawberry. Now print this tuple. So now when I write this, so now the tuple has been printed, like now it has become like apple, banana, strawberry. Here you can see it. Like that you can make a make a tuple, okay. Like that you can easily build a tuple. Here you can see it. Like this you will build a tuple, okay. So now how to make a dictionary, let me tell you. There, where is our dictionary video? Okay, there's my dictionary video, and I uploaded a 43 till 40. Where is that? 50. Okay, till 44, 43 till 50. I uploaded my dictionary video. Okay, so you will also go there and see it. So how to create a dictionary? To create a dictionary, first of all, you write here this, then dict, then equals to like here in this video I am building it. Here you can see it, and then you write here first of all what you are writing. If I write color and like that, and here I am writing the brand. Okay, and then you write here color should be red, and then comma, or you write here fruit red, then here you write like color shall be red, and then fruit shall be apple, and then comma, and then I am writing here vitamin. I am writing anything. Okay, vitamin D, comma, then here I am, and then I am writing in the print this dig. So when I save it and run it, so it give me like okay, this dig is not defined. Okay, why? It is giving me there. Okay, like in this video I have already told you that how to make a dig, but it is saying me this dig it is not defined. Okay, in the end I also write the comma, but in the end you do not write comma. Now save it and run it. So now I hope it not give the error. Save it and run it. So, okay, apple is not defined. You mean a tuple? Okay, it is saying me apple is not defined. Or you also write here. Okay, here you write in the double commas. It is. Save it and run it. So now it is giving me fruit, apple, color red, and vitamin D. Like this. Here you can see it. From like that you can do it, and like that you can make your dictionary and tuples. So here you can see it. So like that, in today's video I told you about the using a tuples as a keys in dictionaries in Python. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also in our any future latest videos about the Python. So now I meet you next lesson, next video, amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.